Hello everybody, and welcome to the first tool in my ePortfolio. Today I'm going to be discussing and talking to you guys as well as teaching you guys how to use Quizlet. Now obviously the first thing you're going to do is go to Quizlet.com, and then afterwards you're going to sign up for a free account. You're going to do that right here. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log right in. It saves my password on my computer, so I'm just going to log right in. Now when you first get to your home screen, it'll ask you to create sets of study guides. You don't have any when you first open up. Now I do, so here are mine right over here, the ones that I've already created. But I'm going to show you guys how to use brand new ones. You're going to come over here and you're going to hit create. Once you hit create, you're going to decide what subject you want to teach or what lesson. Now I'm going to do the American Revolution. And below will be the questions you make and the answers. Here go the terms or questions. For example, first president of the United States, right? And it gives you options. It doesn't always do that, but it does. And you go here, George Washington. It gave you the option. Year of American Independence. We're gonna go over Revolution. And it tells you right here, 1776. Now, it won't always have the options as far as giving you answers, but you're definitely going to have a lot of options where they're going to give you a lot of answers. Once you're done creating your set of questions, you can do as many or as little as you want. You're going to finish by going to create over here. Now, it's going to create a deck for you. And what it's going to ask you to do is if you want to share it yet. If you don't, you can just hit X here. You can customize it here as far as what kind of test you want it to be. Do you want them to write the answers? Do you want them to, for example, the first president? You have to make sure that as far as the study guide goes, you have to make sure how it's written is how you want them to answer. Otherwise, you're going to get it wrong like I just did. But it gives you a lot of different options to create different mini tests. This tool is great because you can share with everybody. You don't have to have an account, so it's public information. You can go here and hit share and share with your coworkers, with students in your classrooms, with family members if they're studying for a test. Overall, it's a very good way to study, to come up with creative ways to, engage in new materials. You'll learn to use Quizlet and you'll have a lot of fun doing so. So, yeah.